No kidding. I'm so glad this is not. We have to all go on to their prayers and thank God that it didn't happen to us, but we have to pray for these people. You understand? We have to pray for them and hope that they're safe, alive, and that they're okay. And we have to donate money to the church and stuff, so that way these people get taken care of, right? Yeah. This is so not good, dude. Oh my God. Come on, kids. Come on, kids. Yeah, this is bad. There ain't no power in the system. They didn't have power in anything. Come on, kids. I can smell natural gas, Mike. I can smell natural gas. Car line can start the thing, you know? No, dude. I know. I have lots of friends who work that just, they live here. Oh my God.
That's the golf cart. They weren't in there. That came from the parking lot.
I know.
That car, that tornado carried it.
They carried the car.
Those cars.
And, yeah, look at that. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. I'm just so sad right now. I'm shocked more than anything. I've never seen this. And I'll tell you this right now. There is a God. There is definitely a strength to God right now. Yes. Nothing less powerful could have done something like this. And, whoa. Yeah, winds are like this, but because God's strong and He loves us with No, I know.
He's done.
But He does things sometimes to show us that He's real, okay? And this is real.
Hey, look at the back of the car.
Yes. Okay. We're going to sign off for now and take care of some people. Okay.